Hey, 6th grade, here's your help video to get started on 2.1.2, the practice page. So here you need to write in words and a multiplication sentence what this is showing us. First, notice that the unit is one whole circle. So something I noticed is that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 repeats. That is the 6 groups. So I'm going to put a 6 first. Then I need to look really close to see how many parts are in the whole. I see that there are 1, 2, let's make that a little skinnier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 7 parts and 4 of them are colored in. So that means there are 6 groups of 4/7. There are 7 in each whole circle and 4 are colored in. So for the multiplication sentence, now I'm just going to think about the colored in parts. There's 4 in the first one, plus 4 more, plus 4 more, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, or 6 4s. I'm going to change this first one back. There are 4 colored here. So I have 4 6 times. 4 times 6 is 24. So for our multiplication sentence, I'm going to say there are 24 parts, and it takes 7 to make a whole. We had 6 repeats of 4/7. Altogether, that was 24/7. You do not have to remake that into a mixed number. Okay, on the back side, it says multiplication sentence, words, and picture. So for the very first one, it says 2 times 2/5. Ignore my cats who are fighting. That is 2 groups of 2/5. Now you can draw whatever shape you want. I really like drawing rectangles because sometimes making circles into like 7ths or 9ths is just really tricky. So for my picture, I'm going to draw a rectangle like this, right? I'm going to cut it in half and in half and in half, and you might notice that's 4. Then I'm just going to add an extra part on. There, that's 5ths. Okay. Now I'll draw the same thing. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, there's 4/5. So here's 2/5, 2 out of 5. And here's 2/5. This is 2 repeats of 2/5. And what I notice is, altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So going back to the multiplication sentence, I would say there are 4 parts. Now be careful, the denominator isn't 10. If I look back and I want to count all of these parts, it would be 10. But the denominator says how much in just one whole bar. There are 3, 4, 5 in a whole bar. So that means the denominator should be 5. 2 repeats of 2/5 is the same as having 4/5 altogether. Okay, down here on the bottom, it's going to ask you to try to mentally picture and write the product, okay? One really small thing that I will tell you is that the denominator always stays the same because when we draw pictures, the size of the parts isn't changing. It's just the amount of the parts that is changing, right? Cool. Make sure that you check your answers against mine before you turn yours in.